You about to run now.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Alexis, and today I'm going to be doing my hair for y'all. So I already started because I already started filming, but it messed up. So yeah, don't mind Dior in the background because he's up and he's playing right here with his toys. So I started by putting in Dior took my leave-in conditioner. This is Mixed Chicks leave-in conditioner, and it works really good. So I started by putting it on the top and underneath my hair so I could be able to detangle, you feel me? So let's get into it. I gotta put more in my hair and some water. Cause honey, when you go to sleep with no product and put your hair in a pineapple, done. My head's so big, but it don't be working out on my favor with the detangling. It's raining! It's raining! So I only like to detangle the top of my hair when I'm doing this ponytail style because I like the bottom to be like curly. Hi, baby. Wanna say hi? Say hi! Look! Look! This is the hairstyle, y'all. Period. It's like, okay. So while I'm doing this, I like to take out these pieces. Before I tighten it. See, this piece is way too long. So I just gotta play with it. I usually cut these every couple months. Now I'm gonna grab my little bit of eco styling gel. He's over here stealing, y'all. So I just grabbed my hard bristle brush and start. Okay, now I'm gonna take my edge brush that looks trifling, but it's just gel. Y'all, it's just gel. And I always do this little swoop right here. Really be abusing me. Stop pulling my hair. Stop pulling my hair. You bad boy. Now he's using me as a step stool. Probably because she's getting some. It's the sweetness for me. It's like, now that he done pulled out my hair. Your first video you're getting in the tub. So let's show y'all the style. Close up. Anyways, this is the end of this video. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, want more hair tutorials, give this video a huge thumbs up or give it thumbs up for some support. You feel me? You feel me? If you feel me, give it a thumbs up. Period. Anyways, subscribe, thumbs up like I just said. Comment video suggestions down below or on my social media. Follow me on my social media. And your girl got a TikTok now. I don't got no videos yet, but I will soon, okay? I'm using it to promote my YouTube and my businesses. So stay tuned. Follow on my social medias and be prepared for the next Vlogmas. Did I say it was Vlogmas 15, y'all? Right? Right?
Bro, you know how many times I just hit this thing?
It's Vlogmas 15. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ayy. Ayy.
You about to run now.
Ayy. He's showing you all the damn things today. Alright, y'all, but we out.
Right, that part, night.